What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in to Adventure FADAYZ Designs. I finally understand, or I finally get why you always say it's going to take 2 to 3 weeks to get a shirt out. This shirt took a little bit of time for me to get. So some shirts may come in early, other shirts might come in late. This one came in super late. This is not it. This is D-Rock's shirt for his D-Rock Expressions. This one is a super tiny. This is, I think, it's a T2 for my man Eric in New York. T2, and it took forever to get. So if you're gonna order something, make sure you order way ahead of time. Give 2 to 3 weeks. Under promise, over deliver, and always get 2 of everything if you can, so that way if you mess up, you can go at it again. Peace. Hopefully this helped you guys. Stay creative. Till next time.